In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw and deposit to your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your cryptocurrency transactions efficiently and securely. Begin by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is launched, you will see the main interface with several options available for you to navigate. Look for the wallet option located at the bottom menu of the screen. Tap on wallet to proceed. After tapping wallet, you will be presented with a list of your wallets. Choose the specific wallet you want to deposit to by tapping on it. Once you have selected the wallet, you will see a deposit option. Tap on deposit to move forward with the process. Next, you need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Options may include popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, USDT, or 10. After choosing your desired crypto, the next step is to select the network for the deposit. You may see several options like ERC20 TRC, 20 or TON. Choose the appropriate network that suits your transaction needs. Once the network is selected, you will need to copy the deposit address provided or scan the displayed QR code with another wallet application. This address is crucial as it directs the funds to your OKX wallet. With the address copied or the QR code scanned, navigate to your other wallet or exchange where you hold the cryptocurrency you want to send. Initiate the transfer from your other wallet or exchange by pasting the deposit address you copied or using the QR code. After entering the amount you wish to send, confirm the transaction. It is important to wait for network confirmations, which may vary in time based on the network activity. Once the confirmations are complete, your balance in the OKX wallet will reflect the deposited amount. To withdraw from your OKX wallet, start by opening the OKX app again. Tap on Wallet at the bottom menu and select the wallet from which you want to withdraw funds. After selecting your wallet, tap on the Withdraw option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then need to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. After selecting the crypto, enter the recipient address, which can be either another wallet or an exchange. Ensure that the address is accurate to avoid any loss of funds. Next, select the network you want to use for the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After you have input the amount, confirm your details. You may need to enter your password or a two-factor authentication code to proceed. Once all information is confirmed, tap on Submit. It is essential to wait for network confirmations, similar to the deposit process before the funds are fully transferred. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.